In the world of stock market, everyone wants to predict the unpredictable. But have you ever wondered why? Let's look into two different scenarios to understand this better.
Grandpa, why does everyone want to predict the stock market? Isn't it unpredictable?
My dear, the stock market's unpredictability often draws people in, seeking answers to the unknown. You know, many people used to come to me for advice. They believed I had the secret to predict the market.
Oh, that's great. But did they ever thank you for your guidance?
Sadly, my dear, most of them never bothered to show gratitude. They sought predictions but failed to appreciate the strategies that truly helped them.
Hey, why do people always want to predict the stock market?
Oh, it's a common phenomenon. Friends, colleagues, they often come to me, hoping for magical insights. You won't believe it, I rarely receive any gratitude from people whom I've shared my thoughts with. Oftentimes, I forget expressing my gratitude towards people who have shared their strategies with me too.
That doesn't seem fair.
Indeed, it's the paradox of human behavior. We crave predictions, but we often forget to appreciate the guidance we receive.
What's the solution then?
Oh, simple. I use the Dozen Diamonds app. It offers a different approach that focuses on stressless trading and informed decision making.
Absolutely. With the app's insights, analysis, and user-friendly tools, we can navigate the market without relying on futile predictions.
So, it's not about predicting the market, but making well-informed choices?
Precisely, my dear. Embracing a stressless approach and leveraging tools like Dozen Diamonds app can lead to better outcomes.
Say goodbye to chasing predictions and hello to informed decisions. Dozen Diamonds, unlock the power of stressless trading.